Hello, my name is Gracelyn.
Hello, my name is Torin.
My name is Everett. My name is Micah. Today is Friday, March 13th, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, today, Friday 13th, is end of the 9-week grading period. Report cards will go home on Wednesday, March 18th. Battle of the Books will be on Thursday, the 19th at 10 a.m. Also, the 19th to grade has a field trip to Urban Air.
This week, Mr. Spence came to teach pre-K about germs and proper hand washing.
Kindergarten began their new PLTW module on sunlight and weather. They found out that the sun is a star and its true color is white, and then they recorded their findings in their lunch logs.
First grade continued their study of structure and function of external animal parts. They looked at the kinds of ears of the different animals to determine how the structures of those ears allow for different functions. Then they designed their own ears by deciding on a function they wanted their ears to do. Once they did that, they had to design the appropriate structure of the ears to fulfill that function.
Second grade will begin a unit on dinosaurs. This week, they researched and collected documentation to share about their chosen dinosaur. They began writing and editing their research and moved on to their final copy. Next week, they will investigate the 4 types of fossil and begin their dinosaur dig. Check out all of the fun things happening in the second grade hallway.
The third graders started their Project Lead the Way weather unit. They learned about the 3 weather factors: precipitation, wind, and temperature. They got the thermometers out and learned that if you hold on to the thermometers, they heat up fast. They're going to take the thermometers into the deep freeze in the kitchen and check the temperature there.
The 4th graders are learning about energy transfer. They did an experiment with dominoes. They observed energy transferring from their fingers to the dominoes and from domino to domino as they fell down. They also collected data from different classrooms in order to create 3 different types of graphs.
To celebrate Read Across America Week, the STEAM ambassadors gifted books to each classroom. They hope you like them.
This week, we celebrated Read Across America Week. Mrs. Yates loved to see everyone celebrating their love for reading. Thank you for being silly with us.
In PE, we are now in our stations unit, which will take us into spring break. We also finished up our PE fundraiser. So great job to everyone who entered those contacts and wore your keychains. Stay tuned to hear how much money we raised for new PE equipment.
In music, 2nd grade is designing their own instrument. They are using the engineering design process and will be building their instrument next week. I cannot wait to see what types of instrument they will build.
In computer science, we are finishing About Me slides. Great job, everyone!
During the STEM class, we worked on a challenge and achieved it. We will continue with robots, but we will visit new types of robots.
After-school activities. In Crazy 8's math, students learn how to use a coordinate grid to make a map and then find the treasure. Good luck to 3rd and 4th grade robotics team as they represent Brooklyn STEM Academy at the state competition. Don't forget to sign up for the science fair. It will be on April 30th. This is a way to do an experiment on anything you would like. Some ideas you can experiment with are colors and light, comparing light bulbs, decaying food, energy for life, hot ice, or even magnets and heat.
From the Bulldog Cafe, we did it! We got the golden goose. Keep eating those lunches. Let's see how long we can keep her.
from the PTO. STEM night is April 1st. If you haven't done so, please send in the RSVPs as soon as possible. There will be pizza sold by the slice that night, but you can pre-order a whole pizza for your family on the RSV slip. Can't wait to see everyone there.
Here's a message from Miss Tier.
We've got 2 positive office referrals this week. We have Colin in Miss Rollins' room. Colin's an amazing hardworking student, and he is also an amazingly patient math teacher for others. So congrats, Colin. And we have Colton in Miss Dragonette's room. He did a great job working his hardest and never gave up trying on the iRead test. Congrats, Colton, and good work. Both of you gentlemen can come up for a book after announcements.
Joke of the week. Why couldn't the little flower ride a bike?
Why couldn't the little flower ride a bike?
Because it didn't have any pedals yet.
Oh, yuck.
Thank you for watching What's Happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy, and see you next week. Bye!